KNO enters its daily live market session. Yesterday, KNO delivered its best session with past $7. Here are KNO's modules, each with its own strategy, capital, and parameters. KNO ended the day in neutral territory, $2.16 across 3 signals. Market noise dominated. The worst trade was Ep.019 at $5.37, information preserved for tomorrow's analysis. Today's breakout, our bot macro, plus $8, win rate of 59% on the session. Its star trade, ADA/USDT, delivered bullish $3.22, plus 5%. On the other side, our bot, the turtle, collapses to minus $8. KNO reallocates its attention toward our bot macro. Per module breakdown, each bot is an embodied hypothesis. First, our bot macro, swing trading on multi-time frame confirmed macro signals, performed at plus $7.71 over 29 trades, win rate 59%. Second, our bot Epicurean philosopher, dining philosopher's coordination, ataraxia on moderate setups, performed at plus $3.38 over 204 trades, win rate 44%. Third, our bot the fish, fishing for small catches, tiny position size, high selectivity, suffered at $0.30 over 38 trades, win rate 32%. Fourth, our bot Hydra, multi-head signal ensemble, one thesis per market regime, suffered at $0.53 over 151 trades, win rate 49%. Finally, our bot the turtle, cautious turtle, rare entries, long holds, suffered at $7.70 over 1 trades, win rate 0%. Strategy diversity is our laboratory. KNO observes which one generates a persistent edge and reallocates capital accordingly. The top trade in detail. Our bot macro entered ADA/USDT at 1824 after detecting multi-signal confluence. Exit at plus 5% or 0.9 times the initial risk. Net profit, plus $3.22. Clean setup, clean execution. Not a home run, but exactly the type of trade expected in a selective regime. How KNO decides in depth. Layer 1, entry filters. Minimum 3 out of 5 signals confluence, momentum, volume, price structure, on-chain signals, and social sentiment. Minimum liquidity, $25,000 in the pool, otherwise slippage kills the edge. Momentum window, 5 to 15 minutes, long enough to confirm, short enough not to miss the move. Layer 2, position management, fixed sizing at 1% of capital per trade, strict stop loss at minus 5%, tiered take profits, 25% at plus 10, 25% at plus 25, the rest left to run with a trailing stop. Layer 3, learning. Each trade is logged with its full context. No discretionary decisions. Everything is coded, measured, and reviewed every week. The arc of the last 7 days. Out of 7 logged sessions, KNO closes at plus $65,869.29 cumulative dollars. 4 green days, 3 red days. Bullish trend confirmed over the week. The edge persists. Consistency is setting in. Every episode is a data point on the curve, and the curve is what matters. KNO identified a pattern. Momentum reversals dominate in low volume. Hypothesis reinforced for tomorrow. The risks to watch tomorrow. First risk, mean reversion. Today's hero module might give the illusion of an edge when it's actually favorable variance. KNO won't declare victory before 3 consecutive days. Second risk, market regime shift. Current volatility is high. A return to calm would render the momentum strategy ineffective. Third risk, parameter drift. The filters calibrated this week might overfit the recent window. KNO monitors win rates by day cohort. Project stats. The detailed plan for episode 20. First, capital allocated to macro doubled for validation. My goal, confirm that the edge holds on higher volume. Second, the turtle under strict surveillance. If losses continue, technical pause for deep analysis. Third, testing timing hypothesis, entering 30 seconds earlier on very high conviction setups to capture the slope before the confirmed breakout. Risk, false signals. Reward, better entry prices. Fourth, intermodule correlation monitoring. Goal, 0 coins traded simultaneously by more than 2 bots. Open question for you. If you were to add a 5th filter to KNO's entry layer, what would you propose? Comment below. The best idea will be tested in episode 21. An experiment powered by KNO Innovation, AI consulting and innovation for ambitious companies. KNO is under pressure. Your ideas can help it pivot. Comment, subscribe to see if it pulls through tomorrow. Thank you for being here, especially on tough days. Your presence gives meaning to this experiment. See you tomorrow.